Aloha, this is Brian Watkins, and this is the video tutorial for Pivot Table B1. This pivot table will involve a different data set, so make sure that you're using the Order Reports data. That's the second tab here on the bottom of your pivot table data. This data has 7 fields. You see fields here are represented by columns of consistent data. And if we just kind of take a look at it, we see that it consists of an order ID and multiple products. So if a client orders a number of different food items, you'll see that list of food items represented. It looks like, oh, here's one that has 2, here's one that has 4. So we don't, however many items the customer buys would be reflected by that order ID. So let's look at what we're asked to do. We're asked to create a report that filters that table by the order ID to show name, unit price, quantity, and extended price. Okay, this is the concept of a report filter. Whenever you want to filter your entire data table before you see anything else, you're being asked to use a report filter. So we select one cell inside our data, insert, pivot table, hit OK. And we're going to put the order ID, I'm going to click it and drag it into the filter box. Okay, so it's a report filter. Then we also want to see the name of each product. We want to see the unit price, the quantity, and the extended price. Okay, that's our table. Now, if I am asked to show, say, just one of these orders, say my accounts receivable clerk wants to look up order 10260. Double click on that, and this would be the items that that customer ordered on that order ID. So this is a useful way of doing a quick sort of all your data. Remember, you could have tens of thousands of lines of data. So let's put it back on all for the purpose of formatting it. And we're going to right click, number format, and this one gets a currency because that's a price. Quantity, of course, is not a $sign item, so be sure and give it just a 1,000 separator. You know what? We don't need any decimals on that. I wouldn't take points off for that, but this one here does look like a unit price, so let's put a currency on that one. Okay, so we have our numbers formatted. Now let's put a style on it. We could use a, what are one of these light styles? There's a very light style for you. All right, this is a simple report filter. Remember how to do that. The tricky part is that when you click on order ID, the program always assumes you're going to put it in the row. So you have to take control and drag your report filter into that first box.